Hi there and welcome to this unboxing of the DJI Mavic Mini. This is the Fly More combo, so it comes with a couple of extra accessories. We have the aircraft itself, the remote controller, spare propellers, a 360-degree propeller guard, 3 flight batteries, a 2-way charging hub, 2 USB cables and a carrying bag. This drone is only 249 grams, flies up to 30 minutes and sports up to 4 km of HD video transmission. However, this is the CE version, it will not fly that far. It comes with vision sensor for stabilization and GPS for outdoor using. It has a 3-axis 2.7K camera and it has its own companion app. Without further ado, let's check out what's in the box. Inside the box, we find the carrying case where the drone sits. This box here with additional stuff, good old silica gel, do not eat, throw away the silica. Here in the small box we have some manuals of instruction, some disclaimer. In the second box we have the charger itself. This one is in particular rated 5 volt 3 ampere, so it's a 15 watt charger, kind of a powerful one. This will be useful in combination with the charging hub. In this small box here we have the batteries, so we have 1, 2 and 3 batteries. Here is an additional box for the propeller guards. Propeller guards are kind of huge compared to the drone because they have to go all around the drone from DJI. Next we have the carrying case. So let's open the carrying case, and inside the carrying case we have the drone itself. So there she goes. Really lightweight since it doesn't have a mounted battery yet. It will get a tad bit heavier with the battery mounted. Keep part protection, all these strips into play, we will have to remove them before flying the drone. Next we have this. This is your controller. You unfold it this way. Now you can operate the drone without a phone attached to the controller, but you do need the controller in order to operate the drone. This is the controller itself. It folds out like this, and then you need to mount this tiny little joystick pad to move your pads around, just like in a PlayStation controller, but this time you're flying a drone instead. Next we have the charging hub, a very important piece of accessory. This will allow you to charge several batteries at once, not just one inside the drone. You can see we have 3 slots, so we can charge all the 3 batteries which came in the box together at once. And this is why we have been given a 15 watt charger to charge them up fast. We have some extra sticks for the joystick in case we need them. We have the first charging cable in white. So this is a white charging cable, is going to be used to connect, for example, to charge this guy here, so the controller. Next we have a second charging cable which is going to be used to charge, for example, the battery. A small tool here which is useful to mount and dismount the propellers themselves from the drone. A small cable work here, which is very important because those cables are what you will need to connect your controller to your phone. We have several options. We have lightning cable for iOS devices, micro USB and USB Type-C Finally, we have a small box here, which comes with the spare propellers. We actually have 1, 2, and 3 tiny boxes with extra propellers. That's it about this unboxing. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you like the video and if you like to see more, and see you in the next one where we're going to fly the drone.